Hi, I thought we'd come together and do a daisy flower, daisy bell, daisy belly. There's so many things that I see people calling it. I got a new mold from Julie Cuts. It actually is replacing a mold that I had um, that I'd worn out. So I got a new one. I think it takes 7 ounces of resin. I haven't been able to use it. So I did mix up 7 ounces of JDiction high gloss in the round jugs, 1-to-1 resin. I am going to put some in my cup for my white. And then I'm going to divide the rest amongst my cups for my colors. That looks pretty good. I don't want to scrape it because I didn't scrape the sides when I was mixing it. I don't want to get any unmixed resin in there. All right, so in my first cup, I am putting just this off-brand epoxy resin colorant grass green. I do have it saved in my Amazon store. I don't know if it's Sigwong, but there's comes in 48 bottles. It doesn't have it labeled on the bottle, so I'm not sure. I'm going to put 5 drops and then take a look at it and see if it's enough color. I'm using all of my favorite colors today, so I really want them to show up nicely. It looks pretty good, but I'm going to do 2 more drops. I want it to be a vibrant green. That looks pretty good, I think. All right, next I have orange. You know me, I love orange, so I'm going to go 7 right away. And then I bet if you watch my videos before, you probably can guess what my next color is going to be. Oh, I forgot to mention in this one, I put a very small spoon of, from Eye Candy, Ghost Gold. Oh no! I was like, why isn't this shimmery? You know why? Because it's probably when I move the cups over here. Oh boy, there it is. Our purple is going to be shimmery. That's not, so I am using purple. I can't believe I did that. What can you do? So I'm going to do 7 drops. Just got to go with the flow. It is what it is. The purple wanted to be shimmery. That's okay. It will be our second color. See how pretty that is, though? What order do I want to do them in now, though? I'm still going to keep the green first. All right, for our white, I'm using Let's Resin Ocean White, and I'm going to do a little over a pea-sized drop of it. Oops, it's just dribbling everywhere. I did not let the resin warm up. It is at room temperature. My room temperature is about 73 degrees Fahrenheit. All right, let's see. Are we all mixed up? That looks good. All right, that is going in a piping bag because with this flower, the daisy belly, daisy bell, we do dot versus pour. All right. So my plan is to do all three of these, do some white, then have a little orange left over, pour that in. But I might try to do half of these. We'll see how it works out. So I'm just gonna try to throw it a little bit up on the crystals. I'm gonna use almost all the purple because I need to use the one with the shimmering. More of it here. Maybe I'll leave a little drizzle of it. And then a little orange. All right. Now the painful part of this is the dotting. I've got resin all over everything, so I keep wiping my hands. Just a tiny little spot because it's not warm. It's very thin, low viscosity resin, so it's going to fall out of here pretty fast. And I will, of course, tell you where to speed up to miss this part, so you don't have to watch me doing a ton of little drops. It is moving towards the center fast, isn't it? And I'm not being perfect with these because I know I have another round that's going to come in. Because it moves so fast, I'm going to go around the edge one more time. Or actually do 2 rows around the edge. Just because it moves so very fast. Kind of doing a little bit larger dots. All right. And now I'm going to do my pores again. But I'm not going to use my orange, all of my orange anyway. I'm going to use just a tad of it, just to push the purple a little bit. I'm going to give it a little hit of heat. I'm going to let it come into the center a little bit more. I'm going to start again, this time from the center. Twist this up just a bit. Let me just stand up so I can see where I am. All right, I think I need another row. All right, I think that is all the white that we need. Gonna pour, I was trying to see if I had any green left at all. A little bit. Let's pour that in first. And then our orange. Oops, sprayed it to the side a little. Try to fix that a little. All right. Now, I didn't pull any bits. Let's see what we got. Let's see. All right, so I have purple, and I have gold. I think I'm going purple. This is a new purple that I have. All right. I'm not going to hit it with heat yet. I'm going to wait. I'm going to give it about 15 minutes, and then I'll give it a shot of heat. Keep an eye on it for bubbles. I don't want to get anywhere near the edge of my new mold. So I'm hoping it'll degas a lot on its own, but we'll be back when it's time to unmold. All right, we're back. Time to see how this looks. I'm hoping the purple shows through. Oh, wow. Look how pretty that is. Look at the edge and then the center. Yeah, that's super cool. Very cool. I love it.